Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. I am up to my eyeballs today with laundry and household chores, so the last thing I'm going to feel like doing tonight is fussing over a meal. Ordinarily, this would be the perfect day to use my slow cooker, but I have a whole chicken and I thought I would use this opportunity to show you how to make a whole chicken in a pressure cooker. Now, if you've ever attempted to make a whole chicken in a pressure cooker before, you know there are a few issues. One of them is flavor. What you gain in convenience, you kind of lose in flavor because food, as far as I'm concerned, takes time for the flavors to mature and blossom, which is often why a dish might taste better the day after you make it than the day you made it. Leftovers are delicious. So we're going to address that issue. The other issue is the skin. You're not ever going to get a crispy skin out of a pressure cooker when you make a chicken. We're kind of killing two birds with one stone, the bland flavor and the appearance of the skin. So what we're going to do is create a rub using spices that have that golden brown color. First thing we're going to do is liberally salt the chicken. Now, if you have issues with salt, you can skip this and put lemon zest and lemon juice on here, and it'll be delicious. But I'm salting the chicken on both sides because I have the blood pressure of an elite athlete. That's right. I don't like to brag, but you know. All right, we're salting the inside. I am going to put some of our spice blend, and I will put the specifics of this down in the description with the rest of the recipe. Put that inside. And then I have red onion, half of a red onion, which I chopped up. We're just going to stuff that inside, and a smashed clove of garlic. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Now, I made a mess. In here I have a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and I'm going to add just enough of this to my seasoning mixture to make a paste. We're going to rub this all over the outside of the chicken, starting with the back. Now, depending on the size of your pressure cooker, you need to add either 1 cup or 2 cups of liquid. Mine takes 1. I'm not using water because, again, we want to add as much flavor as we can. I'm using a cup of chicken stock, and I'm just going to throw in the leftover lemon juice that I had and pour that right inside. And then we are going to lower in our chicken. So our chicken is as snug as a bug in a rug in here. All right, put it on the top, play a little tune. My pressure cooker has a poultry setting. If you don't have that, you use high pressure. And when you cook a chicken, you have to cook it at 6 minutes a pound. This is a 4.5 pound chicken, so we're cooking it for 27 minutes. Math. All righty, it's done. This is the part that always scares me. It smells good. All righty. So here you have your very tender and very juicy chicken, but it still does not have a crispy skin because you just can't get that from this method of cooking. But here's what you can do. Once it's done, you can put this in a baking dish and put it under your broiler, and that'll crisp up the skin. And just to show you the effect that it will have, I'm gonna use my trusty torch. As a final step, I just put it in this pan and popped it under the broiler for 5 minutes. So total cooking time is still way faster than roasting a chicken, and it got so tender, the wings just fell off. And look at that. The skin is golden brown. It's crispy. The chicken is tender. Lots of flavor. It's really good. Now, I'm still an old-fashioned gal, and if I were serving guests, I would still roast a chicken because it just makes a prettier presentation. But for my husband and I, this is going to make a great dinner tonight. And for the next couple of days, it's going to make incredible sandwiches and chicken salad. So I hope you remembered to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time here at home with Anita Rosner.